Hello, I'm Jhusfer Moreno, and my topic is the engineering design process. So, what is the engineering design process? Uh, the engineering design process is it emphasizes open-ended problem solving and encourage engineer or student to learn from their failure. And the engineering design process is the series of steps that engineers use to guide them as they solve a problems. So what are the steps in engineering design process? Firstly, we have a uh, asking and defining what are the problem is, conducting research, brainstorming, planning, and creating a prototype, and testing it and improve what can improve. Then definition of defining the problem is in almost every problem solving methodology, the first step is defining or identifying the problem is. It is the most difficult and the most important of all the steps. You will define the problem by asking what is the problem is, and this step this step helps to develop critical thinking skills and the ability to use a different viewpoint to examine a certain situation. Here, you will be asking uh, what problem is being solved, uh, who is the pro- who is the product being designed for, or or why is a solution to this problem is important. And it will develop creativity and research skills. So next, conducting a research. Uh, by conducting research, it carry out competitive analysis of similar product or projects. Uh, it helps to ensure your method match your methods match your research aims, that you collect high quality data, and that you use the right kind of analysis to answer your questions by utilizing credible sources. So, brainstorming. Uh, you will get your team together to identify together the best features to include in this product or projects. Now that there is a list of solutions to problem, it is time to narrow down the options. You will work with your team to brainstorm some ideas and develop as many solutions as possible. Dito dito na kayo magja-judge kung ano yung best solutions na pwede nyong gawin para sa isang problem or the certain problem na sinosolve nyo. And next is planning. In these steps, uh, it is time to refine and improve the solutions and break down the path to solving problem into smaller steps. Kumbaga, yung ideas nyo sa brainstorming is papaikliin nyo na and pipili na kayo ng pinaka-best solutions na pwede nyo gawin or gawin sa certain problem na sinasolve nyo. So next, uh, you will create a prototype. Uh, by by this step, you have a design to build, and it's time to create a functioning version of your solutions. Of course, kailangan yung gumawa ng prototype na mapapakita yung solutions na pwede nyong gawin nga doon sa problemang sinasolve nyo. It could be made of different materials than, than the final solutions and may not be as polished. So, of course, what you will test the prototype that you've done. Uh, Once the prototype is ready, it is time to test it. Here, the engineer or the students can use their creations to see if their designs works. If it if it is work properly, or the design is very common, or the design is not used, better to be the solution of that certain problem. So next, next, you will improve. Some prototypes build quickly for a reason. Chances are that you will create a few of them while you perfect the design. Uh, Step 7 is not so much a step as it is backtracking, to the planning phase and determining what should be changed in your design, building a new prototype and testing it again. That's all. Thank you.